तेरी मम्मी की जय, क्या चीज बनाई, दूध पे जैसे आई हूँ मलाई। ये लड़की पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है, ये लड़की पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है।
सागर में एक लहर उठी आपके नाम की, आपको मुबारक खुशियाँ ब्रह्म ज्ञान की। हैप्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे सना। ऐसे ही सुंदर सुंदर मुस्कुराते रहो और सबको हैप्पी करते रहो। लव यू एंड ब्लेस यू एंड विश यू द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट इन योर लाइफ। जय गुरुदेव।
No, she just messaged me that,
Hi Nanapachi, happy birthday. You're 50 years old. Wow, half century. But I think you're way younger than all of us put together, and I think all of us get our crazy from you. So continue to be your crazy self and fill our life with a lot of crazy. Continue to force us to, take pictures, send you pictures, and all of that, and blackmail us. Don't forget that. And yeah, whatever I tell you on DM and I tell you don't tell anyone else, yeah, continue to post that in our family group for everyone else to see. But everything said and done, you're my favorite in the whole family, and I've said this a couple of times before. But yeah, you're my favorite, and happy birthday, Tweety! You're the best. Jerry loves you. I can't wait to see you and eat a lot of batata song and dali toy, and hear you whine about me eating chicken. Bye. See you soon. Love you.
Sana darling, happy birthday to you. May God bless you with all the pleasures in your life. God bless you again, always, always, always.
Happy birthday, Nena Pachuri, from your Puchuri. To one of the best aunts, mothers, and whatever relationship that exists on this planet, the award goes to you. Who am I? Who am I? Who's your soulmate? Who's your best friend? Who's the love of your life? So, all my brothers and sisters, they don't even stand a chance. Somehow they're under this false pretense or assumption that Nanapachi loves her so much, which you do, but not as much as you love me. So this message goes to all my brothers and sisters, including Nikhar. Get alive, get out of my way. Nanapachi, since I've been baby until today, you have held me at every stage of my life, under every circumstance. You have been like a shield to us. Whatever qualities that we have today in us, like we are strong, we are independent, we are sensitive, we are resilient, all these qualities are imbibed in us by all of you. The credit of our success goes to all of you. My mother sometimes tells me that how come you love your aunts more than me, or how come you're so close to Nanapachi? Like the relationship that you and I have, there is no definition for it. Rather, you and I ourselves cannot put it in words together. It's like we are an epic, like we are legends, we are legends. So Nanapachi, you are my rock, Nanapachi. You are my life partner. You are my partner in happiness. You are my partner in crime. You are my partner in sorrow. You are my partner. You are my partner in fantasies, in my quirks. You are my partner in all the good things that we have done together, if we can list a few. So Nanapachi, yours, truly yours, Gudu, till even death don't do us part. I love you so much, Nanapachi. I love you so much. Mwah! I love you, Nanapachi. Happy birthday.
हेलो आंटी, हैप्पी 33rd बर्थडे टू यू एंड पोस्ट दिस लॉकडाउन में आ रहा हूँ घर पे आपकी बेटी का हाथ मांगने। मजाक करो ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग हैज़ बीन द बेस्ट गिफ्ट someone has ever given to me and my family. Auntie, before meditation, before art of living, this is how I was. Before. And after art of living, this is how I've become.
Hey Sana, happy birthday. All I can do is think about the 20 years that we have known each other. We have sort of matured together, and I'm sure we're going to grow old together. You are as mad as I am. Basically, we both are mad because the kind of mad things that we do, no one can do. So, we have that little special bond. Like for example, in SL World, if you remember, I was acting. We were on a ride, and then we said, "Chalo, wo jo ride chala raha hai aadmi usko ullu banate hain." And then I was acting like I'm very sick, and then you were holding me, and we were acting like stupid fools, thinking that the security guy will come and tell us kya hua. And so I was like, and you were like, Lavina, are you okay? Lavina, are you okay? And kuch nahi, security wale ne to hamari taraf dekha bhi nahi. So this is the kind of mad things that we do. We can dance and do, like, we can really dance without caring a hang about anybody, around us. And then we can do all those stupid things like Neha ke घर के बाहर वो Santa Claus का वो cap पकड़ के ऐसे ding 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 ding. So that's us. So when I say that we both are mad, I mean it that we both are mad. I love you very much. I always want you to be there in my life. I want to grow old with you, and I want to have a lot of fun with you. I'm really waiting for this lockdown to get over so that we can go to Ontos and shake a leg. Love you.
Hello, Nena. Okay, you told me to sing a song for you, right? Okay, I'll sing a song for you. But it's not a birthday song, okay? I'm singing it because I like this song. And I find that you are still a child at my baby sister. You'll always be my baby sister. May you be 25 years, may you be 50 years, may you be 75 years. You'll always be my baby sister. So this song is for you. Ichak dana, pichak dana, dane upar dana, ichak dana. छक्के ऊपर लड़की नाचे लड़का है दीवाना इचक दाना. I hope you like the song. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful time. My blessings are always with you. Bye.
Hi Nayan. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday. May this lockdown not dampen your spirit. Make the most of this day. If I have to remember you by, there are, number one, you're funny, you're naughty, you're mischievous, Annie, to get Gandhi moves also. Number two. Number three. गुड्डू आणि आम्ही हसता ती तेदन तुका कसले कळना जाल्यार तूं अशी बसता की हांणी कसले हसता ती. These things, whenever I think of it, it makes me laugh. I hope you continue to remain the way you are, and obviously always pretty and young. And I know it's not the chia seeds, so please share the secret, because I'm going to turn 50 in another 3 years. Anyways, have a great birthday and miss me. Gammat kari, kedan phone kari, hasuya, gammat korea, and miss you, my sister. Love you very, very, very much. Bye, darling.
Happy birthday, Sana. Have a great day. Thinking of you, of all these years we've been together, maybe more than 20 years plus, from the time with the kids, with their projects, their biologies, dealing with the chemistries, dealing with maths. I still remember you and your figures don't match with maths. So like, how it was till today, dealing with what? Boyfriend problems. Everything has changed, but what has remained constant is you, me, and our friendship. It has always grown stronger years after years, and talking so much also makes me a little emotional because we don't meet so often, but back of my mind I always know that you are a great pillar of strength. You are my mental support. Any time of the hour I call you, you are just there, and don't want to really look back behind my the lost days, but I still remember that your statement that Neha, my house is like your house. Everything in my house you can always vouch for, and you can come there for it. And Sana, that's it. You mean a lot to me, and may you always be happy and blessed forever and ever and ever, and may our friendship blossom and God bless us forever. Happy birthday, Sana.
Hi Nena Bachi, happy birthday to you. Now usually in these videos I don't understand what to say, but Nikhar's forced me to do it anyhow. So anyways, you always know that I love you. May God bless you. A very happy birthday to you.
Hey, happy birthday from Singapore. It's your big day today, and I wish I could be there personally to wish you, give you a big hug. But nevertheless, sending you lots of love from Singapore. What can I say, Nena? You're my friend since I was 3 years old. Since then, you have been so selfless, so loving. My partner in crime, my shoulder to lean on, my 2 a.m. friend. You're someone who would drop everything just to hear me out. And I wish we will always remain that way. You're my soul sister, and hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Hey Sana, whining about old age is just not going to help. You are 50 and so happy 50th to you. I'm sure you lived a very beautiful 50 years of your life. I hope you remember all the masti that we did when we were young. I wish we could continue doing that, but I guess responsibilities, it's okay. God bless you. Have a blast. We shall catch up soon.
Happy birthday, Sana. We love you. We miss you. Wish we were there together to celebrate your day.
And we had a lot of fun in Thailand. We hope we can do it again.
Take care. Bye.
And I think you can hear me, Naina, on this video. And I am wishing you a very happy birthday and many more to come. Yeah, God bless you with all your wishes to be fulfilled. And you are the first person in my maternal side family to be the art of living teacher. and to add to this, you have become yoga teacher also. And you are the first person to take me to Bangalore ashram and get me acquainted with all the places of the ashram. सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ मरजान की, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तू है सुंदर फूल इस बगियान की. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sana Auntie. I love you and I want to thank you for supporting me in all of my pursuits. I hope you have a lovely day. I cannot wait to see you soon again and I think you're the absolute best.
Sana Auntie, happy birthday. Of course, my love for you is now going to be tenfold because I haven't expressed it and seen you in so long. And obviously, you know that I am Nikhar in the future, but quite literally. And Nikhar should feel ashamed and so should I when I say that your energy is more than both of our energies combined, and I can only imagine what it must be to live with you and grow up with you because of the enthusiasm and zest that you have for life. And you're one of those people who I met on the first day, or I think anybody meets on the first day and you're already their favorite. And I don't say this to many people. Nikhar also wasn't my favorite on the first day, but you definitely were. And there are not many, I wouldn't dare call you auntie, but not many mothers I chill with, and you're definitely, I think there are no mothers I chill with, you're the only mother I chill with. So you're really cool, and I can't wait to meet you, and I can't wait to spend time with you and talk to you. I was going to say gossip, like you're that cool, but no, talk to you and hang out with you, and I love you. Can't wait to see you. I hope you're staying sane, taking care, staying safe, and being your awesome self even at home. Love you.
Hi Sana, happy birthday. Sorry, won't be able to make it to the party this year. But we'll try soon, right? And have a great day and a great year ahead, because honestly, this year is going to be awesome. So all the best, take care, have loads of fun. Bye.
Dear Sana, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day, stay blessed. In fact, we are blessed to know you. I still remember the experience you gave me at the Buddhist monastery. That experience is going to live with me forever. Thank you again. You're beautiful in and out. Wish you all the very best.
Hi Sana, have a great day. A very happy birthday to you. Enjoy with Roshan and Nikhar and all at home. Bye. See you.
Happy birthday. Live long and healthy life. Stay blessed. Love you.
Hi Auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day ahead. It's really sad all of us couldn't be together to make this day more memorable. But I just want you to know that you mean a lot to me, and thank you so much for treating me like your own daughter. Your home is my second home, and no matter how many ever years go by, that's not going to change. As babies, I remember everything that you've done for me, be it the extra love, be it the extra french fries, or the gussa, the timely gussa. That holds a lot of value in my life. Thank you for reiterating the fact that I need to stop eating so much of junk food and start eating a lot of greens. I'm getting better. I think I'm getting better. But I remember we were these tiny little babies in TLA costumes, and you and mom would take us to Kodak to get some pictures clicked before every show. And whenever I look back at those pictures, it just brings in so many memories of how supportive you've been to everything that we wanted to do in our lives. You all knew probably it wasn't the best for us, but I've been supportive nonetheless. And that support means a lot to me, to us.
And thank you for being literally a call away, for those party sessions, for those extra food, for all the nights that we've had at the house. It's just something so priceless and precious, and something that's going to be in my memory for n number of years. I hope you have a great day ahead. I love you very much.
A very happy birthday, Sana. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Missing you a lot.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I am so thankful that you're my best friend's mom, because you're like the chillest aunt I know, and you're fabulous and you look so gorgeous. Like, it's my goal to look like you when I'm your age. Like, you're so young and flawless. I am not trying to flatter you. Believe me, I mean everything I'm saying. I remember the day when I was having a few personal issues about my relationships and everything, and I felt like I could discuss my problems with you, and I remember how empathetic and understanding you were. You're a wonderful person. I wish you all the love, luck and happiness in your life, and I pray that all your dreams and wishes come true. Thank you for being such an amazing aunt. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear darling. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Sana.
Hi Aku.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, have lots of fun, and we miss you, but we will see you soon. Bye. Take care.
Take care.
Mwah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sana.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Very, very, very happy birthday, Sana.
Again, happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful life ahead.
Best wishes for a very, very happy birthday sent by Unash and myself. May you always be blessed with lots of happiness, good health, peace of mind, and satisfaction in life. I hope you enjoy your day. Have great, fantastic fun. Keep smiling. Always be happy. And rest assured, Unash and myself will also enjoy your day here on your behalf. We shall also toast to your goodwill. Take care. Be happy. Bye.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Hope all your wishes comes true. You get all the success, and hope lockdown gets finished fatafat for you, as I know how much you want to go out. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sana. Have a great day, because it is definitely different. It's a lockdown birthday. Memorable one, of course. We all are always going to make great memories. Cheers.
Hi Sana, how are you?
Happy birthday, Sana.
You have a wonderful year, babes. Have a fantastic evening.
Rubbish, the 8 seconds are already over. This is Roshan.
It doesn't matter.
Roshan, tu wish ka 8 seconds. Maybe we want to say what we want to say.
I am sure Roshan has something really exciting for the night. Is it going to be tonight or tomorrow night? I don't know, but okay,
Tomorrow,
all the best.
midnight.
All the best. Have a wonderful year.
Tonight.
May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sana. Wish
Once
you a
again.
very, very happy birthday. We love you. You're the sweetest, bubbliest little girl I have met, I don't know, 30 years ago? Yeah, I guess so.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sana. Happy birthday to you.
May you be blessed with the best of everything in your life. God bless you, Sana. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Sana. Happy birthday to you. And I hope you're doing great in Mumbai. And and I hope I will see you soon, and I send you lots of love. Bisous, bisous.
Hey Sana, what I know of you, I think you're a super cool mother, a great person, giving 100% whether it is work, family, or any kind of seva activity that you do. Always smiling and always doing it, for the right motive, with the right motive. Tight hug to you. Have a wonderful day and a year ahead with lots of love, happiness, and may all your dreams come true. Love you.
I hope your birthday is full of love, laughter, joy and happiness. I wish you the best in life. But you already have a friend like me, so no need. Miss you, love you loads. Happy birthday.
Hi Sana. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Have a great one and have a wonderful year ahead. Have a healthy year and a happy year.
God bless you.
और ये तेरा पति है जो बदमाश, अगर ये ज़्यादा तकलीफ देगा तो हम लोग को बोलना, हम लोग इसके नाम की सुपारी निकाल देंगे. So have a blast. Have a wonderful birthday. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed. Hope you have a beautiful year ahead.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sana.
Happy birthday, Sana. Wish you good luck. Much love. Bye.
Birthday, Sana Didi. Wishing you a great day and a wisdom and seva filled year. May you keep spreading love and joy as you always do. Happy birthday.
एक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, एक चतुर नार